Hey, what's up everybody? This is Johnface Moto coming at you today with the product review. Today's product is from Mustang. It's the saddlebag lid covers. This is for the 2014 models and up. They were purchased on Amazon. Just wanted to give a quick video on the fitment. They fit really tight. They're definitely made specifically for these Harley Davidson saddlebags. Clean look. They take about 10 minutes to install. It's just a stretch fit. It's got a nice stitching. These are the plain. I think they have other kinds with flames or some other kind of pattern on them. And they basically just stretch right over the top of your lids. And they don't interfere with the latching mechanism at all. And it's a nice look, easy way to protect your saddlebags. These are from Mustang. They have an embossed logo. And I'm satisfied with them. If you can, give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.